Hello everyone, today we come from group 12 that have the member me, Tang Layhout,
I'm Chattra.
I'm Udom.
I'm Ravin.
and we dive into the movie that's called Imitation Game, and now we discuss about it. So let's get started.
Okay, let's start with the first question. So, what branch of mathematics were used or mentioned in the movie, and how was it used in the movie?
In the movie that focus on the cryptography, math for secure communication and statistics. Alan Turing, team Alan later frequent in the Navy go to crack the Enigma machine. They use logic and probability to predict pattern in encrypted messages, turning scrambled data into readable intelligent. This much shorted over 2 by year and save the million lives.
So
Okay.
yeah, next to another question.
Do you still think that mathematics in the computer science curriculum doesn't have any value to computer science, and why?
Yes, of course, like mathematics and computer science curriculum have a value in computer science because like you can think mathematics can give you a lot of benefits from it, like critical thinking by doing a lot of algorithm in it, and it develop your ability to go through with a lot of development in computer science, like critical thinking, problem solving, or even debugging a code or using any like application from doing a lot of things in computer science.
Okay,
Yes.
that's a great answer. So, what type of games that gave them a leverage, and how did game skills help them in their mission?
Well,
Anyone?
for the games I've seen in the film, they showed crossword puzzle was one of it, and they did help them in the mission a lot because, like my friend mentioned here earlier, critical thinking and problem solving, and that helped in the game because they had to do things like pattern recognition in order to crack the Enigma code, and that also helped them as well as teamwork. That really helped in helping the team crack the Enigma code.
The next question: what game skill do you have that you think can help you learn better in computer science?
I think strategy games like chess can teach you how to plan ahead for the next task, and puzzle games like Sudoku or crossword puzzles, it can improve your logical thinking for coding and for learning algorithms. So those are very two good skills for computer science.
Yes. Next question: what is the relationship, connection of the history of the cryptography and modern AI, or you can call them?
Both fields rely on pattern recognition. That cryptography hides message by scrambling pattern, and AIML uncovers pattern in data to predict outcome. Following statistical method for code breaking inspire machine learning, like training AI to recognize fake or image by analyzing massive data set. Yes.
Yes. So another question: how is Turing's machine become the foundation of the modern computer based on what you understand from the movie?
Based on what I understand from the film, the Turing machine is basically this device that's used to crack the code, Enigma code, and the same for modern computer. They all use the same model. Modern computer are basically modeled after, such as the idea of a reprogramming machine, which a modern computer all has. So that's why I think it became the foundation of modern computers.
That's a good answer.
Moving on to the next question: how did the Turing machine become the foundation of all the aspects in the computer science, such as programming, cryptography, AIML, cybersecurity, and blockchain?
Yes, like for Turing machine that can make us learning from programming is like you learning about step by step in the first start, and for the beginner is good. And another for AI or ML, it can generate a lot of development on algorithm, something that you can learn from it. And for cybersecurity, Turing machine is like protecting a lot of sensitive virus or sensitive something that can break into our device. That's good. And for the last one is about blockchain. Blockchain is like a secure transcription that rely on cryptographics that principle it to avoid any trouble on it, and he's advanced with it. So
for the another question, that the machine was built to save life, but the knowledge it produced gave them the power to determine who lives and who dies. How can this statement be related to modern technologies such as the internet, social media, game, and cybersecurity? And how is this statement true in today's technology?
and you know that the Turing machine is like a big achieve from him that is a efficiency, and the machine can predict about the German attack in every detail and every moment. So it affects it on life or death that you can see in the movie, and it affects it on the modern technologies. Have like you can see nowadays we have like AI driving. It's about Tesla driving auto like using the AI, and we have like AI generated like ChatGPT generate like statement or using anything, and I can see it using about AI in the hospital that can do a surgery by itself, a lot of things by that. So
How another question? Information is power, and the one who control information control the world as a future computer scientist. How can you ensure that future technologies will not be used for evil or cause of human self-destruction?
Okay, so in my opinion, I think the best way that we can ensure something like this doesn't happen is, number one, is to have an ethical design to build transparency into AI and avoid any hidden biases in the machine. The second one is to advocate for laws to support data privacy regulations. And another one, which I think is the easiest one, is to educate the users and teach people to be ethical and to do no harm using machines.
that's good. Another one. So, what technologies of today do you think is leading to society to the path of self-destruction, and why?
I believe, for my opinion for this, I think that social media is one, because social media creates a platform basically for the spread of misinformation, as well as area for people who wants to spread like political agenda or other things that may be bad for society.
Okay.
Yeah. From the idea, the harmful one, automated weapon, that AI drive drone risk daily mistake without human oversight.
And another thing is, with poor cybersecurity, you can hack into like hospitals or power grids and threaten a lot of people's lives, just like how the unbroken Enigma code was sooner it was broken.
And yes, I think I have like one idea is for like about deepfake, like using the AI generate like face a lot of like celebrity or famous people and then put it on other people, so that it's a lot of dangerous if like the real person didn't do it but another person do it, but the face is dead. Yeah, so it's too dangerous.
Yeah.
So that's all for our reaction. So
Joris, open the door.
Access granted.
Shit, something wrong. Jarvis, open the door. Jarvis, open Jarvis, open the door.
Access denied.
Damn.
Access denied. Access denied.
Meanwhile